Ang impeachment is a big deal sa ating demokrasya. Pero, bakit kailangan makialam ang kabataan dito? Let's talk about it. Politics is not just for politicians. Tayong kabataan may fresh ideas, may energy, at may voice. May role tayo sa pagbabago. Here are the 3 consequences of youth engagement in the impeachment process. Number 1, impact of democratic accountability. If the youth remain passive or the government officials may not held accountable for their actions. This led to unchecked power, corruptions, and policies does not prioritize the people's best interest. Number 2, shaping future leadership. Active involvement in political discussions and process help young people develop their critical thinking and leadership skills. Number 3, policies and right protection. The youth have specific needs to concern from education to employment and climate action. If we don't participate in a major political events like impeachment, discussions that shape our future might not reflect our best interest. Hindi lang ito tungkol kang VP Sara Duterte. This is about the right to be informed, to be involved, and to make a difference. On my point of view, the youth should engage the impeachment process kasi it affects our democracy and our future leader. Kung tatahimik lang tayo, mas lalong lalala ang korupsyon at abuse of power. Our voice matters. Kailangan natin makialam para sa accountability, better policies at isang gobyerno na tunay na para sa tao, hindi lang sa iilan. This is Kaishin for sure, and you're watching Point of View. Peace.